In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this Boolean sliced mesh. This is how the mesh looks like. We could create a similar mesh with a knife project tool, but it will take more time to remove and fill up the faces. Let's create a teapot mesh. If you don't see that menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I'll create a cube, and scale it to create a Boolean mesh like this. We need to add an array modifier. Before applying the Boolean modifier, please make sure the Boolean mesh's array modifier was applied. Let's apply the Boolean modifier, and clean up the mesh by removing the vertices around the mesh like this. I'll create a ground mesh, and use the sky texture to render the scene as usual. Time to add the materials. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.